Fire, water, air, and idiot.
Should I do it? Morning people. Oh my god. So we move from here, so the pervert self. Watch him. So guys, what about knowing a good girl? They write so I look out cause good girl we for crab. Good girl I cook crab today. So Capo gonna we're gonna get some local seasoning for going a pot and so I'm gonna shovel some crab today. Yes, and I'm just take the dirty tie off my bottom. What the wrong with this dog? Yeah guys, so right about now me I wait for the people them to come drop off the crabs. Land crab and so people, so I'm excited. Oh no, good girl love our crab and so though. So yeah, I shop up some crab me and dirty Capo and so and me about call. Me about call Ken and so, you know, cause she said one time me I cook crab, I'm supposed to call her and make sure no so. Me about call her and me about not you know, if the crab sweet me too much, I tell you I can share it, I tell you I can share what you know. Yes. For the people them who the overseas and I like to taste Jamaican crab that's Osh, that's why I almost visit. Osh, yeah, crab season now. Crab season from last month or so. I think last month or so. And good girl just a buy her and crab. So I'm excited about you. So, I say again, but no, I them there, like Jesus, I'm gonna die. If them ever pinch me, so I die. No girl. Hey guys, if you're new, please to subscribe. Don't go with the obvious madness of the good girl. I say, we move up, Batty. I don't go over to Capo Stevie. I remember follow up on the gram down below. So guys, right about now, good girl, just look out. Yeah, stay tuned. I don't know, good girl just got it crab the one. So yeah, good girl can grab there, yeah. So people make a call. How can I see if she can make it today? You know, come for crab. Even though when I start cooking it in the boat, you know, I call her and see if she come. For know how much more for do. Even though them have to cook and so you know everything I cook there. Because I like crab, I know why them just dead, sir. All the time work out. No, I got to call her. Girl, I just order some crab, girl, and them just come the crawling one them. So you know what today? I like you tell. Oh girl, the crab I miss it then. I said the crab I gonna miss it then. Alright. Say you eat overnight crab? Yes, girl. Alright, girl. Alright, guys. So she say, you know she not reach up until tomorrow, so. You know, but good girl, I'm going to cook some crab today. Good girl, I'm going to cook some crab today. Right, you. So I'm here with my dirty Capo for come. I'm excited bad. I'm excited, so no. Capo, where are you? Alright. How would that be? No, no. Hello, what you doing? They will eat you. Don't go near it. Guys, someone smell them and watch it. Open this over here, right, Janko? See where you go. Yeah. Guys, them they not so right about now, you know, not watch out, what's ever. I say if them ever one up and look at dog nose, him hurt, him get hurt. 7, it's not everything you sniff is to eat, you know. Watch out what happened in face on that. Jesus, them do something to myself. I'm gonna share fish, I'm gonna pay fish. I'm gonna scratch my son. Mommy baby, love you, mama love you. Look on them. Look on that one over there, so. But when I look so good. Oh my god, the children don't even know what I'm doing. I don't know. That's why I'm not such chill. I don't know if I just say prayer and ensure say when I ask the Lord for forgiveness, all the sins when you're doing in life also. What you? Oh god, if I own a man. I don't want to with big cloud over there, so I know you gotta taste good. Alright guys, so the people the man just reach. What you say people man, what you say?
Hey, pass the man up there. Up there?
You gotta find out now.
Yeah, I said not going there first.
Yo, put on my son, put on my son.
Yeah.
Capo, put on my picnic.
Ready? Yo, I don't know.
This look like a dozen.
So when I put them right
A
now?
dozen or 12, no?
Yeah, 1 dozen is 12.
Stay in school, kids. 1 dozen is 12.
I'm supposed to hold them what I want there.
That's my look. That's my look.
We're not going to hot water now. What I'm doing now.
Call Ken say she not there.
No,
But she said for left back half tomorrow.
Yeah. If you're lucky.
Alright guys, so this for keep on I tell Capo. When if you feel like you have a man enough to grow a beard, you need to be careful when eating.
Where try to?
I saw people when know when they eat what they're not supposed to eat. Because they left back trail for one. Left back trail for one. You don't feel something stuck in the beard? See how guys you do that? And then they act like that thing. Alright guys, so we're outside, so don't mind that top, so don't mind that little towel there, but we're outside, so we're gonna sit up on the cold stove. But come on, know, as I always say, something about cold stove, but the food tastes better. Much better on the floor, watch a Capo struggle. Aki come in, Aki come in, the tree full of blossom and bees. You need some help, Capo?
I'm good.
Okay, all for this I need help, I could help you. What's your look how Capo like trail? Alright guys, so no a good girl can't really do nothing now. So good girl have to go up on the people there, man. We go and set up and so I know. No man have nothing cut up, nothing go cut up, but just like a throw it in the pot so. Nothing go cut up. Not throw, just throw the ingredients in that pot like the last time. No, so. Yeah. I saw. Yeah, I remember. So guys, we're out so right through. Alright guys, so Capo, what you doing? Explain to us what you're doing right there, sir.
I'm trying to set the fire right. Because you have to have a process in guys, especially with cold stove and cold stove, you know. If you don't put the right amount of bram in there.
Yeah. What are brams again?
You could stick them on.
Wow.
Bramble, I was saying bramble name.
Yeah, those are called. What do you call it?
Bram. Tell us before Abigail.
Yeah.
So yeah. In there. Paper and then
everything.
Plastic.
Yeah.
You don't know anything, bro.
Yeah.
When I use kerosene and them thing, I think natural. So
yeah.
I have to try and make sure it work the first time. I did it up, you know.
Open up, blaze open up. What? So guys, look how fine Lisa's egg. Look at how fine Lisa's egg in the cold them. Pull it up, cause guess what? You couldn't manage.
Look wine. I must have the other. How what I want in him?
In the smoke.
But they're bad.
Guys, don't in here.
Gas mask. Fire, water, air, and idiot.
All you need to cook crab.
Why is that going now? Why is it going?
Why your voice going?
Because I was shouting earlier.
One. Remember the phone waterproof?
It is?
Yeah.
What?
Your skin alone is waterproof.
Bertie.
People who don't want to see all the big crab open something, come like say the crab them tired of us. People one time go and open the lid because them they fire down and so them come to the smoke because smoke is not good to inhale. People, when you see one time good girl open the lid so and the big crab must go so whoop. Forgot about for good girl. I must say, oi! And I still come and drop by the lid on it. It's like the crab they sit down and I like them plan up. So you know when you're in a situation for too long, so you're in there, enough in there, and you just plan up and say, alright then, the bigger one, the better one, I'll go first and attack. And that the dirty crab that try do me, but guess what, good girl better. Locked up, they won't let me out. They won't let me out. I'm locked up, they won't let me out. Oh, dirty boy, I'll come out to the. But I'm going to stay in. You not come outside, save who? That's it. My dad. 7. Where you going?
I don't know if you have been out here set time, you know?
Alright guys, so you know when cooking crabs and so you need them ingredients here. I'm gonna show you. These are called scallion. You're gonna need a thyme. You following?
Which one more important?
Scallion and thyme. Two of them. Pimento seed, right? So pimento seed.
What name?
Pimento seeds.
Pimento? No, pimento we call it.
Pimento.
Alright then.
Not true. Or salt.
For what?
Salt, what I mean?
You want to give me diabetes?
You get some taste.
Mm.
You can't cook crab without salt.
Just make sure not spoil that pot here.
I'm not sure if I'm
Because
gonna
we dinner
spoil
this,
it.
if it's spoiled, we're hungry tonight.
Yeah. We're gonna use 2 pack of cup soup.
Why not just one?
Cock soup, eh?
Why can't you use
No,
one?
one too small for the pot. You don't see the pot. Right there, so
Oh.
see. So therefore you're gonna need 2. Right there, so see. You can't cook crab without this. A scotch bonnet pepper.
So much pepper?
You gotta have a scotch bonnet pepper. No, you're not gonna use so much, you know, we're
Oh,
just show no.
for me, no.
You gotta have a scotch bonnet pepper. What else? What else?
Fine.
I eat that for going there.
I can't that alone cook crab.
That alone, man.
Crab can't so easy.
Oh, the crabs. Right there, so see.
Ah.
Right there, so.
Alright, people, right now we're going to jump in the crab section, you know? The nice part in our weapon.
I'm gonna go wash up them. Remember, I don't have to wash, you know, things them, you know. Don't be like Capo, because Capo not wash them something.
Oh, follow there, people. And clean.
Yeah. Then I should have been going to the pot already, you know. Bust the door.
You put it in the air,
You know what? The neighbor them ears.
push it in the air.
So what I tell you?
You can't make your ears not to Capo.
Come touch your all ago.
Yeah, you touch me. Why you do it?
Alright, see you soon. Come here.
What does that make nice?
Are you fat?
Capo, no, some of them nice. You go and fuck around.
How to crab them?
People, you want to be looking for teeth or something, you don't want to grab them. Like them smell them that, oh God.
Hey, yo, we not do that about food, you know. We not come talk about food like that. We not wait. God say for eating creatures them, don't waste them. No, wait till me about smell them dead for.
Them are the only ingredients I got add in here so far.
So
when it
far?
start bubble up and so we start add the crab them.
Oh.
People remember the last time we do crab. And okay, have the crab them run up and dug it at the yard. Not them one here. Capo, you can't do that. Yeah, why you gonna pull it on? Why you gonna pull it on the side where you cannot see?
Cause you see, you tell me to let it back down.
You dumb. No, him dumb. You pull it from the side where you can't see.
Bumbo! You don't want to hear what I'm going to sit here. When they are the week one day?
You want crab to come up with it?
Yeah.
What's that? Look at me, fucking idiot. Hey, look.
I'm one day, no.
Yeah, idiot.
Mine that one day.
Yeah, idiot.
It's mine that one day.
I'm my one.
See him look? The cladic. Broke off that.
Alright, guys, so what about now? Capo afraid. Because Capo say him, no, oh, I'm going to take out the crab. I'm going to say, Capo, you alone are going to do it. Come on, why good girl for doing it? Good girl body too nice to touch live crab, so.
So, I don't know if I'm going to do this for real though.
Yeah, but we have to go do it now. Because we got to eat them. We got to eat them.
You know, we need one clamp, man. The clamp in have yeah, man.
What?
Something for all them. But that we did the last time, man.
Oh, yeah, go for it,
Yes.
Capo. Go for the clams.
Solution.
Go on, Capo. Solution. We got one, guys. We got one. So, one on there. People, Capo, so, guys, I don't about know. We are going to try to find a way to wash them off and then transfer them.
To the next bucket.
Yeah, to the next bucket. You know, because we have to clean my crab. We can't just eat dirty crab like that. No, girl. No, look at you. Yes, that's what we're going to do. The water soon start bubble. Yeah, the water soon start bubble. Right. Yeah, well, you cannot take up from waste, but you cannot see.
That's a move pan. That's a gas pan. Supposed to me do.
No, but them are going to crawl. You got to grab one first.
This is not safe, people.
Look at girl, look at you. Yeah, but yeah, look at the rest of them.
One minute. Abby, come on, spray the boy.
Him are the big one.
Yeah.
Him are the behave yourself.
When I big to man, Abby.
Oh, no, catch him. Capo, do not make the crab come out because I cannot help you. Y'all love like a thing of joke. If I can't do it, leave someone alone.
For who do it? No, for who do it? Tell me.
Don't talk to us.
No.
No.
You feel like...
No. Guys, remember what you come like say walk on purpose.
No,
Like a
guys.
big crab, you know?
She don't believe it, I don't know.
No.
No, come here. But my left alone, guys. What can do it? You can't somebody
No.
do.
When you come like say you want purpose, let out the big crab. That's what I'm down here. Them some of them big, you know? Yeah, I'm
Abby,
there.
she left you alone, you know. Like she a go come here to come do it, you know.
Him there at the top.
One buckler.
Mama, him bigger than the next
Look at
one.
this. One more, I'm sorry. You know what good enough?
It's not all good. Use that and hold him. Hold him back. No, you do it sideways, not front ways. Come on, hold the salmon, wear him back. No, why you from
Somebody
eye.
hold him, man.
You have to put your hand in your mouth, you dumb. Yeah, show the camera. Make we make a thumbnail fast.
Yeah,
with
you
him.
might ticklish me.
Make we make a thumbnail fast with him.
Come here, Abby. Fuck a crab, you know.
No crab. You okay? Put him down. What you do that? Why you drop him so?
I was telling this thing for.
Alright guys, so the pot of bubble now, so you know what, so I got throw in the dirty crab them people, it was a struggle.
Them not dirty again.
Dirty Capo. Nearly made the crab them jump up away, but you know through me are the one who have sense. I could have made that happen. Yeah.
Abby say, leave it alone. Like you say, I will take up this and take them out.
Oh my, them smell good already, Capo.
Hey, the boy trying your foot. You see the man say, yeah?
Push him down the Capo.
Thank you, Abby, for helping out.
Watch out, them feel the heat, so them drop back. Come down, pussy, will you? Capo, what good enough. Fuck, I'm good. I mean, hey, they should have done.
Hey, the boy sleep out of me hand. I'm gonna fight him life. Go down some boy. Go down there.
Good dog there. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry, but I got to eat them. They taste delicious. So, guys, this is it. And we're going to show another end result because I can't wait with the stress. Alright, guys. So, we're still outside and look how Ned come catch me. Because I kept up. So, we show look salt and so now. Because them cooking, so you know. Them cook, but they just look fresh. So, we add a little salt. Yeah, we add a little salt.
Take
Enough salt. Yeah, because Capo only buy 2 cat no go home, they tell him to buy 3.
You know what?
Yeah, but I'm not
I put a
listening.
screenshot on the pic on the stuff now. I see 2 cat no go on the
At
message.
3 then,
What
yeah.
chance
3. Yeah, guys. So, when they are here, so when I was share, so we're going to show you. People are excited about it. Because I'm no good girl love her crab. Stop blowing sting bread for me, no?
You know, crab bread. 2 have the same bread now.
No.
Yeah? Can't help me now, yeah?
Yeah, guys. So when I was done, we're going to be there. Okay, so stay tuned. Push on.
Aye.
Yeah, are you done?
Stupid or dumb?
People, the crab them finally done. Like finally done and it tastes nice. But they have to add enough salt and so. Yeah, because the mistake that we made was to put the salt and the cock soap in the after we drop the crab in. So we should have just do that before, you know, and taste this. You know, but anyways, it come out alright. But
Next time, people, you know better.
throw the salt and cock soap in the first before you put the crab there. That's like you can taste this better. But it come out so good. How it tastes, Capo? It's full of pepper, you know. Capo dying. How it tastes?
Flavor the man.
Yeah, of course.
Pepper the too, but people not hot like what you complain about.
Yeah, but the pepper is hot. I mean,
Spicy, it's nice.
yeah, the backside is, yeah, guys, right? This nice and so people only should have there smell it. Not to mention the taste for the people who they are foreign and I don't eat them crab your osh.
Come back on the yard.
Yeah.
Hey, stop no man. Stop no, please. Don't know no. It's what?
Don't tell me for
See
them.
broken your ears? Yeah man. Guard up. So I feel like have it that.
Don't tell me for them. Is so I can show the back. When we share answer. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Hey, the same shot is small and nice with it. No girl, you have to do better. No girl, you have to do better. But are your clothes? I can't wear it. Yeah. Yeah. Some people, look here, go here. This is the end result. Yes. Yeah. Right,
Who beg now get, who no beg no
want.
Right there.
So guys, I hate this. So I should hit it. I want to subscribe for the new. Run go over to main channel. ABBI and Capo. Run go over to ABBI's right. This is a good girl. Run go over to Capo's TV. I remember follow Bonogram.
Down below.
Something then. AC gang is out. Bye.